We finally got here, Emily.
She's so excited to be at the Edgewater in Gatlinburg with Amy.
Yeah, that's your name.
Open that door and I'll push this out the hall.
Oh, she's thinking about going overboard.
There you go. Is that all the show you're going to do? Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
There's Amy. Hi, Amy.
Hello.
This is our room. There's Mike. And then we brought Mildred with us. We must have lost her.
Wandering aimlessly down the hall.
Where did she go? Oh, there she is. She's cold.
I'm going down and get my I'm going down and get my coat.